All right, we're staying on the subject of staffing and in this tip, and today I want to talk about staff management. It's just one of those key issues that you need to get the right balance between freedom and control. One of the things that the research has come out with is that the more freedom that staff feel they have to control what they're doing during the course of the day, the less stressed they feel, and the happier. If you're less stressed, they're more happy. But there obviously needs to be a balance here, because you need to control what's happening, but they still feel the need to have some control over their daily lives. And so micromanaging is one of the most disastrous things that I see when I'm working with small business owners. The staff can't make a decision without the okay of the owner. And that is terrible. You need to get this balance right. Because it's no good for them, it's no good for you. Because if they're having to report to you all the time to get a decision, then you're never going to get any work done of the type that you should be doing. So what you need to do is to work out a framework under which your staff work that allows that balance. And the way in which I do it is I use... these days I use a tool called Asana, which is a task management tool. And it allows me to see all the activities that any of my staff are up to, and when they're meant to be doing it, and exactly what it is that they're meant to be doing. And also within that, we can put the process which they're meant to follow, and it allows me to every day go on my computer and have a look at everybody's tasks. I can look at the ones that are running behind schedule. If that's an issue, if they're running too far behind schedule, I can then talk to that staff member and say, okay, look, we obviously have an issue here. What can we do to help? Why is this occurring? And that is not a confrontational conversation. That is, all right, I see you under pressure. Why is that happening? What can we do? What other resources can we bring to bear upon this? I can look at a different staff member and see what time they may be able to allocate to help out this, because it may be a one-off bottleneck, or it may be something that as we're growing the business, this person's job is becoming too big, and we need to figure out how we are going to provide support to that person. So you need some system in place that allow you to monitor and see what is happening without looking over their shoulder. And they can then come in each day, they see their tasks for the day, and they can order that in the way in which they see it fitting best together. You can nominate something as a priority item so that they make sure that gets done, and the rest of it, they can do it in whatever order. This gives them the freedom. They're less stressed because of that, and they understand that you are watching because you want to help them out if they get bogged down. So that's my tip for today. There's a number of tools out there. The one that we use is Asana, ASANA. Have a look at that. If that doesn't suit, find something else. But get some form of task management in place.